In this video, I will show you how to create an API key on Bitfinex and connect the exchange to Bitsgap through the My Exchanges section. In the Settings menu, open the API section and go to the Create New Key tab. On the key creation page, select the required permissions. Enable only the access rights that are needed for the service to work, viewing account information, account history, orders, and the necessary trading functions. Below, check the IP access settings and enter a name for the key. For example, Bitsgap. After that, click Generate API Key. Bitfinex will ask you to complete two-factor authentication. After successful confirmation, the API key and API key secret will appear on the screen. Now, go back to Bitsgap, open My Exchanges, click Add New Exchange, and select Bitfinex. Paste the API key into the first field and the API key secret into the second field. Then click Connect. If everything is filled in correctly, Bitfinex will appear in the list of connected exchanges, and the connection will become active. Done.